Fuck, I'm recording the wrong. Whatever. Step 1. Cut your f250 air intake, so you can connect it to to your cold air intake. Pop the hood. It fits. Pop the hood. Sorry, pop the hood. You ready for this?
Wait, you gotta start it.
Oh. No, we don't start it. We just gotta pop the hood. The one that pops the hood, you dumb fuck.
The only one that there is?
I don't see it.
Yank on it.
Along this thingy.
Bro, you have... I forgot he's missing a chromosome. There you go, sunshine.
No, I just couldn't see.
And it should fit. Come on, you can do it. It fits. It fucking fits. It doesn't look terrible. Just maybe we need to spray paint that black. We'll spray paint while it's in the engine. Lubricate your belts while we're at it. I'm gonna stay over here. There's shit there, dumbass. Oh, that thing is that's solid. Okay. Oh, by the way, it's kind of loud in here, but.
Oh well.
Holy shit! It works. Why does it work? Holy shit!
Maybe go back for a little tire.
Watch your head.
Hey. I told you I'm a certified mechanic. Oh, that's with the hole. So, what does that sound? Something on fire?
I hear nothing.
I hear it.
Whatever. But yeah, I need to plug that still.
Whatever.
Dremel a hole for your air intake. And the last step after cutting your hole to the correct size and shape is to put your self-tapping screw in the hole. Wait, I gotta get my towel out so I don't catch the thing on fire. Who cares about this mic? Look, you can see the air intake. It's kind of sick. We kind of missed it a little bit. Actually, this will shoot it directly towards it. Look at that. Well, mechanics. How do you feel, Christian? Oh, fuck. Oh. And look, we even got weight reduction because we cut out part of his support. You can use Bondo or whatever you want to plug up the holes. We use tape because we're poor. And don't forget your self-tapper. Also, it helps if you put a second one so it doesn't flap like this in the wind. Are you ready for a cruise?
No.
It's so good. Stop yourself.